it should display you your token URI using token URI method. Where it is, here it is. Let's call it. Okay, here it is. So here we are getting the IPFS address at 0 token. Great, we just minted our first NFT. Now it's time to move to OpenSea to check if the metadata is being read. Okay, now in order to see that our NFT is on OpenSea or not, let's click on testnet.opensea.io. Here you can see that I have connected with my Goerli 2 account. Accept and sign in. Okay, now let's move on to the profile. Here it is. Here it is. I can see that the first NFT has here, but why I didn't able to see it. So and click on your profile picture, you will see the newly minted NFT. If image is not visible, click on it and click on the refresh metadata button. Let's see where it is. Here it is. Okay, sometimes OpenSea has a hard time recognize testnet metadata and could take up to 6 hours to see it. After some time, your NFT should be visible. Okay, so let's refresh it again and see. Okay, great, a cool NFT is here. Bionic sandals. Okay, great. So congratulations, you have successfully created, modified, deployed your first smart contract, minted your first NFT and published your image on IPFS. Next, why don't you modify your smart contract to allow users to only mint only up to certain number of NFTs? 5 per user should be enough, or someone might start minting thousands of NFTs. To do so, look in the mapping here. Here's an amazing guide to walk you through it. Submit your project here to redeem the POK. Okay, proof of knowledge submission. Okay, so let's do this also, and let's see. Now let's restrict the user. 5 per user should enough, or some might start minting 1000. So let's restrict the user. In order to do that, we need to use mapping address and int. Okay, I think we should name it user NFTs. Okay. uh, let's edit the address and just enter the value. User NFT +1. Okay. Now let's check it here. User NFT less than equal to, let's create another variable, max allowed, make it 5, so we can change it outer also. Only 5 NFTs allowed per user. Okay, so right now just for testing, make it 1 and make it 1 also here, and just copy it and let's change the user again to Goerli 1 in order to deploy the smart contract. Always remember that whenever you change anything in the smart contract, you need to redeploy it. I have just removed it. I have compiled it, and now let's deploy it. Using Goerli 1 wallet. Okay, so I deploy successfully. Here it is. Now let's mint it, the URL, IPFS URL, and let's